Hi, today we're going to go over how to add a contact to your growth suite with TechnoMile. For starters, we're going to go to our homepage and we're going to create a contact. Best practice is always to search for the contact before you create them, just to make sure they don't already exist. But let's assume you've done that, and we're going to go over here to contacts and we're going to click on the drop-down caret next to it. From here, we're going to select new contact. Any required field is going to be marked with a red asterisk. You'll see here that last name is required. We highly recommend you put more than just the required field, as this can make searching for contacts much easier. Additionally, account name is a key field. Tying contacts to their respective accounts is always a good idea and highly recommended. You can fill out any additional information that you have about a contact here as well, including their title and role, and then their contact information. Once you're done filling out the information, down here at the bottom, we can click Save, and that contact has now been added to your system.